Did you know you can stream your games onto any iPad, iPhone, or Android OS system with your Xbox? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do that in under 2 minutes. For today's video, I'm going to be using an iPad as an example, but this works for your iPhone or any Android OS. That includes Android phones and Android tablets. Okay, the very first thing you should do is power up your Xbox, log into your profile, and then head over to settings. Then scroll down to devices and connections, and then click on remote features. Here, you want to log into your profile once again, and then head over to the power options. Make sure you have the power option setting to sleep in order for the remote play option to work. If you leave it in power savings mode, this will not work. Next, head back to the menu and then click on enable remote features, and the Xbox will run a test and run over the checklist to make sure everything is okay. Now you may get a warning next to the network type and it'll tell you that the network interface is wireless, but you can simply ignore this. Just make sure that your upload and download speeds on your internet at home are at least 10 megabytes per second. Okay, next, head over to your iPad and then open up the App Store and download the Xbox app. Make sure this is the Xbox app and not the Xbox Game Pass app. Once you open up the app, log into the same profile you're logged into your Xbox and make sure you're on the same network as your Xbox. Now to use remote play, you got to make sure your Xbox controller is connected to your iPad. Simply go over to your Bluetooth settings on your iPad and then hold down the power button on your Xbox controller and then hold down the rear connection button. Your Xbox pairing option should show up and all you got to do is click pair. Now your controller is connected. And now for the fun part. Open up your Xbox app on your iPad and then on the left hand side, click on the library icon. Under My Library, go to Consoles and then simply click on your Xbox. Here, you want to click on Remote Play on this device and it will prompt you if you want to continue with this. Just simply hit continue, and then here, your Xbox will simply log into your iPad and now you'll be able to start gaming. Now sometimes on the very first attempt this might not work. Simply close the app and try this again and your connection will work. And that's it guys, it's as simple as that. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on Xbox and iPad gaming.